Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to my channel today. We've got something super exciting to unbox and share with you. It's the limited Bose Edition QuietComfort Earbuds 2, as you know. Bose is renowned for its premium audio quality and cutting-edge technology. And these earbuds are known. Stick around as we dive into what's inside the box and explore all the features that make these earbuds a must-have. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging itself exudes that signature Bose elegance. As we open the box, you'll immediately notice the meticulously designed charging case, which holds the earbuds snugly and securely. Lift that lid and voila, there they are. The star of the show, design and build quality. These earbuds boast a sleek and compact design, which makes them comfortable to wear for extended periods. The attention to detail in the construction is impressive, from the premium materials to the seamless finish. And can we talk about that matte midnight blue finish? It's simply stunning. And in the rest of the box is a quick guide and extra ear tips. A Type-C cable included. This is probably the biggest instructions book I ever seen. Let's talk features. One of the standout aspects is the advanced noise cancellation technology. Bose is known for its expertise in this area, and these earbuds deliver an immersive sound experience by effectively reducing ambient noise. Perfect for when you want to escape into your favorite tunes or podcasts. And speaking of sound, let me tell you, the audio quality on these earbuds is mind-blowing. The sound is crisp, clear, and well-balanced across different genres. Whether you're a fan of bass-heavy beats or intricate classical melodies, these earbuds won't disappoint. Controlling your audio experience is a breeze. With touch-sensitive controls, skip tracks, adjust the volume, and even take calls without reaching for your phone. And with seamless Bluetooth connectivity, pairing these earbuds to your device is hassle-free. Let's not forget about battery life. These earbuds are designed to keep the music playing all day long. The earbuds themselves provide hours of playback, and the charging case offers additional charges on the go. So there you have it. Folks, the limited Bose Edition QuietComfort Earbuds 2. From their premium design and outstanding sound quality to the advanced noise cancellation and touch controls, these earbuds are a worthy addition to any Audiophile's collection. If you're as excited as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.